Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everybody. I hope everybody is doing good. I am back with my video to help you guys pass your TOGAF 10. So in my previous videos, you would have seen we spoke about what kind of content you require to prepare for your exam. Then I explained you that what kind of approach I am taking for you to target to pass your TOGAF 10. And in order for you to make it easy, I have divided my lessons into part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that you know that in each of these parts, what exactly you need to cover. So I'm going to talk about part 2 today. And in case if you need further information, you can look into the previous videos. Now let's focus on part 2. What is part 2? Part 2 is architecture development method. Now, this is core of TOGAF, as you all know, and approximately 40% of your questions in the foundation exam come from this part. Okay. Now, let me quickly tell you what all you should be focusing on when you're doing your preparation for your exam. So first of all, you should be able to describe the ADM and its phases. You should be able to describe difference between draft and approved deliverables. You should be able to describe iterative nature of the ADM. And then you know that you are developing architecture. Then you should be able to explain the need to govern the creation, development, and maintenance of enterprise architecture. The other thing which you need to also understand that how do you scope an architecture? Then explain the reasons for considering architecture alternatives while you are developing architecture. And then the most important thing which you should be focusing on, that you should be able to explain the purpose and objectives of all ADM phases. And lastly, you should also be able to explain how developing architecture for different purposes on level of details can be applied to support Agile software development. Okay. Now, all of this, where can you read this? I have already explained in my previous videos, fundamental content, and I have shown you that how you can look into the fundamental content and the series guide. So fundamental content will have part 2. And in the part 2 chapters, you can find all this relevant information. That is your TOGAF book, the digital edition, which I told you. I have also explained how you can download this. So what you can do is just sit down, take a cup of coffee or a tea, and then read your book in regards to ADM around these topics to be focusing on. Okay, I will be uploading my next videos on part 3, 4, 5, and 6 soon. Take care, happy learning. And if you like the video, please hit like and also circulate it to your friends and your colleagues to get the maximum benefit. Thank you so much for viewing this video and take care. Bye.